submitted by Jim. What is high-value manufacturing? I'm going to take this one because the first blog that I wrote when I started my company many years ago was just about that subject. What is high-value manufacturing? Let's start like I typically try to do with the academic definition. That is, in industry or in the universities, how do they define high-value manufacturing? It's defined as this: companies who benefit from highly skilled and knowledge-intensive manufacturing operations is considered a high-value manufacturing. In our company, we go a little bit further because that's pretty nebulous. So what we say is that high-value manufacturing is a company where you have improved margins, improved quality, reduced costs, greater throughput per labor hour, and that you're able to streamline your new product launches. That, in essence, is what high-value manufacturing is and what our company does.